Hello, hello, hello. All right, I think that works. Okay. Hello, hello, hello. All right, let's start. Let's see. Maybe some fractions. A little fraction review. Fractions. A little fraction review. Okay. Let's see. Let's see. How about 1/3 times 2/5. Okay. When we multiply fractions, we go straight across. So this becomes 1 times 2 and 3 times 5. Okay. Which is equal to, when we multiply across, 1 times 2 is 2. 3 times 5 is 15. Okay. Or let's see. That would be your first example. This is just going over just how to multiply fractions. Okay. Could also have reduce a or slash simplify a fraction you have a fraction like 10 divided by 4. So that looks like this. 10 over 4. Okay, oops. Insert equation. Okay, you want to notice how there is a greatest common factor of 4 that can there is a GCF of 4 that can be reduced to the top and bottom. Okay, so oh no, GCF of 2. Okay. So from here, you can reduce from ten divided by 4. You can pull out a 2 up here and a 2 here, which is going to be equal to 5 over 2. Okay, so these are all, that's just a brief example on, you know, how to deal with fractions, right? Example 1 was how to add or how to multiply fractions, alright, and this is example 2 on how to reduce / simplify a fraction. So, right, so we students are coming in. We are just going to be waiting for questions that they would like to see done. So, welcome. Okay. Let's see, number 35. Okay, that's gonna be your first question. Number 35. Okay. Alright. So number 35 has us doing number 35 is this problem, and I think the instructions for this was to solve each equation, then solve the solution set. Okay. The first thing that we have to understand is that this is an absolute value equation. Okay. All right. The things that we understand from our absolute value equation is that there are two solutions. There is the positive solutions and the negative solutions. Okay, so that's what we have to go to. There is your first solution, then you have your second solution. Okay, the first solution is when the equation is equal to 2, and the second solution is when it's equal to -2. Okay, Notice that right here. Notice that when I put it into the solution format, right? The first solution and the second solution, okay? Notice how the bar disappears. The absolute value bars disappear, okay? Right, that's very important. Notice the absolute value bars disappear. Okay, notice that. Okay, hopefully you've noticed that the absolute value bars disappear. Okay, now so we can work through the math here. To get B alone, you would have to just subtract 4 to both sides. After you subtract 4 to both sides, you should be left with a B on the left hand side, and the right hand side to subtract 4 is -2, and your second solution was this. Right, same solution. I would have to subtract 4 to both sides. Okay, and you should end up here with B equals to -2. Ooh, no, -6 here. Okay, be very careful here. Look. Notice -2 plus -4. Negative is, right, the subtract 4, the -4 is the same thing as adding a negative. Okay, hopefully you're aware of that. That is how you got your -6. Okay, so this is my first solution, this is my second solution, and I could put that in my solution set format. So my solution set, okay, the wave bracket -2 right here, comma -6. Okay, there you go. Those are my two solutions. I can graph it if you would like. Let me pull up Paint for you. Woo, right here. Let me scroll this up. Bring out Paint. Okay. -2. Get a dot. Make that red. Fill. Alright. -2. -2. -2 right there, and -6. Okay, these two are my solution set for number 35. So let me just grab this picture here for you. There you go. Okay, that is your complete solution for the number of 35. Do you have a specific question on number 35, Johnny? I can type that into chat. Do you have a specific question on number 35? Are you? What is your concern about the problem? Okay. There might be many things that you're concerned about. Are you weirded out because there's like the solution set are both negative numbers? Right? Okay, the solution set can be positive or negative. Okay. Oh, well, that's good. Okay, I was absent for the day you taught it. Alright, if you have any other questions about the problem, let me know. So, okay, but that's the important part, that when you do an absolute value, you always have to know that there are always two solutions to an absolute value. Okay? Okay. We're just going to wait for other students to start asking some questions. Okay, so we're just gonna keep waiting for students to ask any questions. All right, here's number 35. If there are any other questions that you would like to ask, please let me know. Please drop it in the question for number 34. How do we solve if the negative is in the absolute value bar? Alright, that's a good question. For number 35, no, wait, what? For number 34, wait, what? If the negative is in the absolute bar, what? How for number 34? How do we solve if the negative is in the absolute? Well, okay, that's a very good question for 34. Let's go there. All right, let me just bring up 34, okay? 34, you have this question. Solve each equation, then solve the solution set. 34 equals to the absolute value of 3z minus 3 equals to 9, okay? Alright, same thing as before. Nothing changes in terms of how we do the problem, okay? Notice that this is an absolute value equation. That we have a first solution and a second solution. Okay, your first solution, right? Now when we go to the first solution and the second solution, we break it apart. So 3z minus 3 equals to 9. Okay. And the other one is 3z equals to negative 9. Okay. So these are my two solutions. Johnny, do you see at this start? Do you get what I'm doing up to this part? I think there's a little lag here, so we're waiting for Johnny to respond to our question. Okay. Come on, Johnny, you have to be here. Yes, but I thought if a negative was in the absolute value, it becomes a positive. No. It doesn't. It doesn't. It doesn't. No. I thought if a negative was in the absolute value, it becomes a positive. No. The absolute value just tells us that there are two answers, a positive solution and a negative solution. Okay? So from here, can you take it on? Can you carry on from this part? Okay. Right? You would add 3 here, add 3 here. Then you would be left with 9, 10, 11, 12. Then you would have to divide to both sides. 3 divide here by 3. Then you would be z equals to 4. Yes, I can do it from that side, right? You see how it it becomes the same thing here. Okay. Alright, same procedure right here. Just make all of that red so you can see it. Okay, Johnny. There you go. I think you are. I think here, this becomes -6. Right. Then when you divide over to both sides, okay, you are left with a z over -2. Should be your two solutions. Okay, good. I just wanted to show you the work from here, but notice, right? Notice how, you know, the solution steps don't change. Okay, right? Even though there was a -3 here, right? My solution set doesn't change. The way I solve the problem doesn't change. Okay, it's still, right? Nothing has changed. Okay. Did you notice nothing changed? Nothing in terms of, you know, how I solve the problem. Johnny, hopefully you're still there. Do you see that? Do you notice that? Right? You see how I'm solving the problem? Right? Hopefully you notice that that doesn't change. Let's ask Johnny. Hey, Johnny. What do you think is the number 36? Hold on. We're gonna ask. Well, I will go over number 31, but I want to ask Johnny about number 36. Hey, Johnny. What do you think the solution is for number 36? We're gonna ask that, Johnny. I will I will do number 31 after this, okay? But let me ask Johnny this question. Okay. That is that question. Okay. Let me give you a hint. The definition definition Let's see if Johnny gets this. Come on, Johnny. Come on, Johnny. Johnny, you're still here, right? Come on. Give me that answer. Come on. And we'll do number 31 after this. No, you fell for it, Johnny. Johnny, do you see this? Do you see this? That's a red flag. You see the red here? Alright. It is no solution. It is no solution here. Okay? It is no solution. Alright, no solution because the absolute value cannot be equal to a negative value. Okay? There is no such thing as negative distance. Okay? There is no such thing as negative distance. That's why. Okay? Hopefully that helps you out, okay, Johnny? Alright, let me go do 31 now for our student here that wants to see number 31. Thirty-one has this going on. Boom. And let me just get the instructions for 31 so everybody sees it. It is to solve each equation, then check your solution. Okay. Boom, boom. There you go. Here you go. There you go. All right. Okay. So notice how it's like we have to follow. Let's see if I could pull up today's notes. Let me pull up the PowerPoint for today, because let's go down to the PowerPoint. Let me grab that. Okay. Boom. Alright, so notice that the step 1, right? Again, always rewrite the equation, of course, right? That is very important to always rewrite the equation. But what you also need to do is to get rid of the parentheses by distributing. Okay? That is a default. So we need to distribute. Okay? Right? We're following this, so we have to distribute. Okay? So let's distribute. Okay? Nothing happens to this. Okay? Plus, let's distribute. The 4, I'm going to make the 4 red. Okay? And I'll make everything on the inside here. Let's make that green. Okay. So 4 has to be multiplied into 4x. Close the parentheses. Okay. Plus. Whoop. 4, close 3. I just want to show you all the steps for when we distribute. Okay, good. Okay, so that's me distributing. Equals to, let's make this blue, and I can make this. Hopefully we can make that yellow. I think you can see yellow. Hopefully you can see yellow. 4, 6x. Okay, that is yellow here. Make that blue. Plus 4 parentheses 4. Okay, that's just me distributing. Minus 4. Okay. So this is just me distributing here. Distribute. Okay. After I do some distributing, I combine. It should look like this. 4 times 4x should become 16x. This becomes 12. This is 4 times 6x is, I think, 24x. 4 times 4 is 16. Okay? This is after I simplify. Simplify. Good? Are we good so far? Are we good so far? Alright, I don't want to go until I get, are you okay here? I want to make sure, are you lost at anything from step 1 to step 2? Or are you good? Are you good? Okay, he's good, he's good. Alright, you're good. So now let's just pull. So remember, there's a step 1.5 here, which is to combine like terms. Okay, combine like terms. Notice these two are like terms. Okay, these two bad boys here. Whoa, that's bad. This two here are your that's bad. These here are your like terms. That's not good. So 8x plus 16x, these two are like terms. So that becomes, okay, 8x plus 16x, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 24x. Okay, nothing happens here. On my right hand side, I notice that 16 minus 4, these two become 12. Okay, this is my combined like terms. Okay, don't right here, don't try to get rid of the variable. Okay, combine like terms. Okay, combine like terms, okay, you have to combine like terms, very important. Combine like terms, okay, don't do anything else before you combine like terms. Okay, after that, notice anything? You notice anything? Do you notice anything? Do you notice anything? Do you notice anything? What do you notice? What do you notice? What do you notice? I can't move on until I get an answer from the person who asked me about number 31. What do you notice? What do you notice? Yay, the numbers on each side. That's what he said. Okay? That's what chat says. Okay? He says the number on each side are the same. So, when they are the same, what type of solution is it? Okay, what type of solution is it? This is infinite solutions. Okay, it becomes infinite solutions. Infinity, well, infinite solutions. Okay, so there you go. Okay, that is how you do it. Alright, you stop here. Once you notice that it is infinite solution, you stop here. Alright, that looks good. You know what? You know who I really think a nominous guy is? I think a nominous guy is either Dominic from first period, because Dominic likes Dragon Ball Z, or he is Jacob from sixth period, because they both watch anime, right? Okay, so let's go to Danielle's question of number 32. Oh man, you guys really... So, number 32. Okay, let's go to number 32. There you go, 32. Number 32. Here are my instructions for 32. It is to solve each equation. Alright, so... Oh, that's a good question. How do you tell if something has infinite or no solution? Okay. This is... Oh. Okay. Well, okay. Do you want to... You want me to show you number 32? Or do you want me to answer that question? There are two different questions. Okay. Here, let's pull up this image for you. We'll compare side by side. Where's the layout for this? Narrow. Alright, so what do you notice? What do you notice? What do you notice by just looking at it? What do you notice? What do you notice? What do you notice? That you should notice that the infinite solution, okay, the infinite solution is when the left hand side expression is the same as the right hand side expression. Okay. Do you see that? Do you see that? Do you see that? Left hand side. Ooh, there you go. Oh, it matches the right hand side. Do you see? Do you see it? Do you see it? Ooh, let me see if I could draw. Oh no. Let's see if I can. No. Insert. How about a shape? Yeah. Right. Look. 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 You see? Too small. Insert. Shape. Oh, how about this? Yeah. Right. Do you see? It's the same. Oop. It's the same. Do you notice how it's exactly the same? Do you see it, Danielle? Do you see it? Do you see it? Okay. Right. Then here, it's impossible, right? Because correct. Yes. You see? You are correct, right? The no solution is impossible because 4 cannot equal to 10 here, right? They don't match up. Okay? So that is the no solution. Alright, so after that, hopefully that clarifies it. Do you need me to show number 31? Do you need me to show you number 32, or do you want me to go to number 14? Let's ask that to chat. You want me to show number 32 or number... Alright, so she says 32. Alright, okay, so chat, we're gonna ask chat here, okay, where there's 5 people, so we are going to ask chat for the first step. Okay. Alright, chat. What is the first step? What is my first step? Besides rewriting the equation. I already rewrote it. What is my first step here? Alright. I'm just gonna drop it down right here. Let's write. Let's get some answers, chat. Let's keep going. I want to hear some answers. Alright. I want to hear some answers. I hear some distributing. Alright. Does distribute sound like a good thing? Okay. Do y'all agree with distributing? Okay. Does everybody agree with the distributing? Okay. She says it right here. Right? Well, after we write the problem, after we rewrote the problem, okay? She says distribute. Okay, so let's distribute. Okay. Okay, I could make this on the inside here. Could make that green for you. Green here and green here. See? I distribute. Okay. After that, I simplify. So I can show you all that beautiful steps. Okay. Alright, 4 times negative 8 is negative 32. 4 times 5, it is 20. Okay. That's me simplifying. Now what do I do? What do I do? Right? Combine like terms. Combine like terms. My left hand side, after I combine like terms, let's combine some like terms here. Okay? Let's combine. Combine like terms. Okay? Negative 32 plus 20 should be negative 12. Okay? anything happen to the right hand side? There's no like terms on the right hand side. Hopefully you can see that there are no like terms on the right hand side. Afterwards, okay, let's add 36. I can make this blue. Add 26 to both sides here. The reason why is because I'm trying to get the letter alone. Okay. Add 26 to both sides, so that becomes negative 12 plus 26 should be, please check my math, 14 I believe. Okay. Alright, this is after some more simplify. Then after that, I should divide by negative 32. The reason I divide by negative 32 is I'm trying to get the variable alone, so I do the inverse property. Okay. Okay. Make that black here. Right. Divide negative 32 to both sides. Okay. After that, you should have gotten an answer of x equals to 14 divided by negative 32. Okay, that is your final solution. Or you can reduce it, right? You can reduce it if you want. I think this becomes 7 and this becomes 16. Right? Do we simplify or what? Yeah. You can simplify, right? To get a neater, right? A neater solution, okay? But, alright. Okay. Or, ready? Or do you want to see something interesting? Check this out. Ready? You don't even have to do this, right? Okay. Let's go back and we could even redo the problem. Look. What is negative 8 plus 5? Isn't that just negative 3? Isn't these two, if I combine the like terms, that? 4 times negative 3 just becomes negative 12. Right? Makes my life easier. Right? Plus 26. Plus 26 to both sides. Ha ha! Look at the beautiful math here. This becomes 14. Boom! Do you see how I skipped so many steps? Right? Because remember, right? I simplify what was inside the parentheses first, right? Same solution as before. Okay? Same solution as before, right? Divide over the negative 32, give me my same answer. Okay? Good? Alright, so I think 32, and someone asked for 26. Alex A asked for 26 here. There you go. Let's see, did we do 26 earlier? No, 34, 35, nope. Alright, let's go to 30. Let's go to number 36. Number 36. Okay. Alright, number 36. Okay. Hold on. Let's see something. I want to show you something. So, have you ever seen this sketch?
Alright, listen up, y'all. I'm y'all substitute teacher, Mr. Garvey. I taught school for 20 years in the inner city, so don't even think about messing with me. Y'all feel me? Okay, let's take a roll here. Jay Quellen. Where's Jay Quellen at? No Jay Quellen here?
Jay Quellen.
Yeah.
Do you mean Jacqueline?
Okay, so that's how it's gonna be.
Alright, so like, because it's I call Alexa says it, so I call her Alex A. Isn't that funny? That's very funny, right? Okay. It's not 36, it's number 26. Okay. I got you, Alex A. I got you, Alex A. Okay. Number 26. All right. Let's see. Let me go to 26. Okay. 26. Okay, and let me just get the instructions. It tells us to solve each equation, then check the solution. Okay. So, do you have the answer for the review so I can check them? Yes. Watch the videos. They have the solutions. Okay. All right. So, Alexa, Alex A. What do you know? What should be my first step after I rewrite the equation? We're gonna ask chat here for the first steps. Yeah, we're gonna ask chat here for the first steps. What are we gonna do here? What are we gonna do here? Let's go, chat. Let's go, chat. What should we do here? What should we do here, chat? Come on, chat. Let's get some answers going. Distribute the 2. Correct. Wait, anything else? Okay, let's distribute that -2. Okay. Is that the only thing? Distribute the 2? Is distribute the 2 the only thing? No, right? There are 2 parentheses. There are this parentheses, then there is this parentheses. So you have to distribute both things. Yes, right? Distribute the 2 and the 3. Okay? Good. Right? Chat has some great answers here. Right? Oop. Let me, boom, there you go. Here, let me color code it for you. I can make that red. I can make this purple. Hopefully you could see the purple. Okay. Good. Here, I could even bold it for you. Okay. Do you see that? Do you see that? Do you see the distributing part? Okay. Then I think we can simplify now. 2 times 8u becomes 16u plus 4. Okay, my left hand side. Right, 3 times 2u becomes 6u, and 3 times -7 becomes -21. Okay. Alright, good. Okay, this is after I simplify. Okay, anything else here? Anything else here? What do I do next? What do I do next, chat? We are going to ask chat for the next step here. Next step. What is my next step, chat? Come on, chat. What is my next step after I simplify? What is my next step, chat? Subtract 6u. Alright, so let's do that. Subtract 6u. Okay, whatever I do to my left hand side, I do to my... Whatever I do to one side, I do to the other side. Boom. Subtract 6u. Okay. Alright, what I'm left with... Whoops. What I am left with is 10u plus 4 is equal to -21. Okay. Make that purple because that was purple. That was black, and that is what I'm left with. Good. Do we see this part? Okay. That's after we simplify, and everybody's yelling at me in chat because I have to subtract the 4 now. Okay. Subtract the 4 here. Subtract the 4 here. Good. After I subtract the 4, I should have left on my left hand side it's just 10u. on my right hand side I have a negative 25. Okay, does that make sense? Does that make sense? Here, let me pull out a number line. Here, let me see if I could get a number line here. Negative number. Hopefully this helps you guys out here. I want a really big negative number. No. Hold on, let's see if I could. Let me see if I could pull up a negative number. Number line. No, I couldn't. Okay, so because I sort of want to show you that negative 28 subtract 4 becomes negative 25, but hopefully we understand the algebra here. Okay, we know how to subtract. Okay, now what do I do next? What do I do next, chat? What do I next? So the answer is 10u equals no. Right? Is u alone yet? U's not alone. So what do we have to do? What do we have to do? U's not alone. What do we have to do? What do you mean isn't no solution? No. U's not alone. Yes, thank you, Melissa. Thank you, Melissa. Thank you. We have to divide by 10. Thank you. U's not alone. U is not alone. Alright, divide that 10. Yes, divide that 10. Okay. So my answer should be U equals to... Alright, you could have it as this. Okay, or you can simplify. You can also simplify, right, into negative 5 over 2. You pull out the, I think, what do we divide by? Yeah, we pull out the like term of 5. So, what do you mean 2.5? No, Ryan, leave it in a fraction. Leave it in a fraction. Okay? Leave it in a fraction. Leave it in a fraction, please. Okay, leave it in a fraction. Make the horizontal line. We make the horizontal number line, right? Yeah. Okay, good. To answer Ryan's question, I thought you said yes. You could leave it in a decimal if you want, right? Same answer, but I want you to put it in a fraction. If you put it in a decimal, you're fine, right? I'm not gonna be happy about it, but the answer is not wrong. Okay, so Ryan, look, Ryan, do you see this? You have to draw the horizontal number line. Okay, do you see that you make the horizontal number line? Yeah, there you go. Does that answer your question, Ryan? Does that answer your question? Oh, so it's okay if we put that decimal. Yes, you can put the decimal. That is okay, but I recommend that you put in a fraction. Okay, there you go. So we are gonna wait for more questions to come in. All right, it's good that everyone's here. We have over 7 people watching the live stream. Woo! Oh, now 6. I don't know. Okay. We're going to be waiting for a couple more questions to come in. Okay. Number 14. Let's go to 14. 14. Where is 14? Okay. Alright, let's go look at number 14. Okay, number 14. Whoop, let's make that. Alright, so... Okay, ready? I'm going to ask you a question. Before I do 14, I'm going to throw a question well, okay, let's do 14 first, then we'll do number 27. So 14, okay? I'm gonna ask this question to the class, right? Or the chat here. We have, let's see, let's do this. A over 36 is, right, is equal to, let's say, 10. No, let's say, yeah. No, let's do it to 4. How about that? How about that? How about that? Okay. So, what should be my first step here? Oops. Okay. What is my first step here? What is my first step here? Come on, let's go, chat. Let's go. Let's go, chat. We're gonna ask chat for the next step. We are gonna ask chat for the next step. Boom. What should I do, chat? What should I do? What should I do, chat? What should I do? Remember, I'm trying to get the A alone. What should I do? What should I do? Correct. Multiply 4 by 36. What? I think you mean multiply 36 to both sides. Okay? So let's do that. Okay. Alright. So let's do that. 4 dot that and dot, oops, sorry. I got you. I got you. Okay. Don't rage. Okay. Don't rage. Do not rage, chat. Okay. Good. Okay. You don't, okay, you have to do it to both sides, okay? Do you see that? Okay. Alright. This is really over 1, right? This is really over 1. Okay. Alright, so what do you get on the left hand side, chat? What do you get on the left hand side? What do you get on the left hand side, chat? Come on. What's left on the left hand side? What is left on the left hand side? Come on, chat. What is left on the left hand side? Come on. It is A. Thank you. It is A. Good. And what is on my right hand side? 4 times 36 is 144. Right? It should look something like this. So it should look like this to 144. Okay. Whoop. Boom. Alright, do you see that? So, do you see that? Okay, alright, so we got the answer here. Okay, so let me do 14 now. Okay, so let me do 14. Let me do the real number 14. Okay. Okay, let me do the real number 14 here. Woo. Okay. Boom. Bam. Alright. Okay. So, what should be my first step here? What should be my first step? Let's go, chat. What should be my first step here? What should be my first step? Come on. What should be my first step? Oh, what should I... Okay, what should be my first step? Come on, chat. Yeah, multiply 36 to both sides. Boo. Booyah. There we go. Let's see. 36 over 1. Hold on, let me put that dot so you can see it. Boom. Right, same thing here. Put the dot. Right, multiply. We have 36 over 1. Boom. So what do I get on my left hand side? Bam. Okay, A. Alright, A is gonna be equal to. Okay. Alright, now look here. Let's just, okay, let me drop some fraction knowledge on you. Okay, when we multiply a fraction, we just multiply it across. Okay, do you see that? Multiply it straight across. So Multiply it straight across. Right? So we should have 4 times 36 divided by 9, right? Multiplied by 1. Does everybody see that? Does everybody see that? Are we okay here? Are we okay here? Before I move on, are we okay here? Does everybody see that? It's still on the bottom. Do you see that? Okay. Are we good there? Are we okay here? I can't move on. Alright, so, right, this becomes 144 over 9, and I think 144 divided by 9 is possible, right? I think that is possible, okay? You plug this in the calculator, right? You could also leave that as the final answer if you want. I wouldn't mind, right? That's an acceptable answer. Okay. And that would be 16. Boom. There you go. There you go. Alright, do you see? Do you see? Don't get freaked out by the fraction, right? The 4 over 9, you know, it's just a fraction, but it shouldn't freak you out. Okay? Same thing here. Same thing here, right? If you can do this, you can do this, okay? So what do we ask? Okay, so someone asked for 14. That was 14, and Ryan asked for 27 on the back. 27. Let me look for 27. Okay. Good. Boom. There. Let me drop 27 here. What are the instructions? It says solve each equation. Hold on, let's see. Alright, hold on. Alright, so chat, what should be my first step after I rewrite the equation? Okay, let's ask chat that. We are going to ask chat for the fuss. What should I do, chat? We are going to ask chat. Come on, chat, let's get some answers going. Okay, alright, distribute. Okay, good. So let's distribute. Okay. Are we good here after I distribute? Okay. Good. And 4 times 3 is 12. And 4 times UQ becomes 8Q. Good? Good. Alright. Do you notice anything? Notice anything yet? What do you mean combine like terms? This is a variable, this is a constant, variable, and this is a constant, right? There are no like terms. What are you talking about, Ryan? What are you talking about? No, but look, okay, sure, okay, watch this, ready? Okay, hold on, look, ready? Negative, subtract 8Q. Subtract 8Q. Okay, what are you left with? You're left with a 12 equals to 12. Is that true? Is 12 equals to 12? Is 12 equal to 12, Ryan? Is it? Is it? Is 12 equals to 12, chat? Please tell me. Please tell me, chat. Is 12 equals to 12? I think so, right? So this becomes what? This becomes infinite solutions, right? Okay, this becomes infinite solutions here. Okay. Becomes infinite solutions here. Okay. There you go. Because there's a delay on the live stream, right? I think it's a 20-second delay, 30 seconds delay, one of it. Alright, good? Does that make sense? Does that make sense, Ryan? Okay. Uh-oh, we have a wait. Someone told me to wait. You did it wrong. What do you mean I did it wrong? What? Oh, I'm getting called out. Someone's calling me out. This is what number 27 should be. Right? That's number 27. Maybe on the worksheet number 27 like I think there might have been like something else, but this is the real number 27. You see its infinite solution? I mean, I don't see anything else. Okay. Okay. Danielle is like freaking out. Hold on. No, I changed it. I changed it to a 3 because I wanted to make this an infinite solution question. Okay. It was changed, Danielle. It was changed. Okay. The sheet. Okay, what? The worksheet had an error. The worksheet had an error. Haha, I blame the worksheet for the error. Okay, the worksheet had an error. Okay, good. So after 27, what else did you want me to see? 29? I think, didn't I already do 29? Did I do 29 somewhere here, class? Let's see, 26, 32, 31, 36, 34. No, I did not do 29. Okay. I can do 29 for Ryan. Woo! Let's go down here. Okay. 29. Alright. Boom. Alright. Okay. So number 29. After I rewrite the equation. Boom. We're going to ask chat for the next step. Chats, what am I doing for my next step? What am I doing for my next step, chat? Let's see if chat's gonna give me a good answer or not. People say distribute. Distribute. Is that it? Only distribute the 6? Is that the only thing, chat? Do we only distribute the 6? Is that the only thing we do? So Sophia said distribute the 6. Alright, hopefully. I don't know if I can make chat bigger. Okay, can I make chat bigger? No, it's like super big. Distribute the 6 and the 3. Okay, that looks like a good idea. Okay. Okay. Alright, let's put chat back down and let me change the size. Okay. Alright. So we're gonna distribute. So let's distribute. Okay. Boom. Are we good here? Are we okay here? Can we all distribute? Hey guys, look class, it's so funny. Like even YouTube says Ryan is chatting too much. Isn't that funny? Isn't that funny? YouTube is even telling Ryan he's talking too much. Okay. Okay. So what do I next? Wait, what? What do you mean that's not nice? What do you mean that's not nice? Alright, yeah. Good. Okay. Dude, it's YouTube, alright? It's YouTube's system that checks if you're spamming or not, okay? So you should have gotten this as the next step. Okay, are we good here? Are we good here? 6 times W becomes that. What do I do next, chat? Okay, you have the simplifying. What do I do next? What happens next, chat? Let's get some answers. Let's get some answers, chat. Let's get some answers. What do I do next? What do I do next? Do I subtract 9W or do I subtract 6W? Subtract 6W, right? We move the smallest one. So oh, whoop, whoop, whoop. Uh-oh. Okay, hold on. Hold on. We subtract what? Subtract 6W. It's just cap locked, okay. And subtract 6W. Okay. Let's do that on both sides. Do we get that? Do we get that? Okay. It should reduce to, after some simplification, I think we are left with are you left with this? Okay. After I subtract it though, are we left with this? Alright, so we're left with here. Now you want to get rid of the 15, right? So I subtract 15 to both sides. Okay, right? The 15 minus 15, right? Negative 6 minus 15, that should be negative 21. That equals 3W is on the right hand side. Then I want to divide 3 to both sides, right? Because that's the inverse of multiplication. Then I end up with W equals to negative 7, right? We're going to ask chat. We are going to ask chat, is that correct? Is that correct? Is that correct, chat? Is that correct? Is that correct, chat? Negative 7? Yeah, so that is correct. Good, 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 good. That's it. We are done. We are done at this point. We are good. We are good. Yay. Smiley face. Smiley face. Let's go with some smiley face. Smiley face. Smiley face. Smiley face. Let me woo! Smiley face. Alright. Okay. What else? What other number? Hold on. Let's see what other numbers was there. Hold on. 29. I think that's about it. I mean, do we have anything else? We have 1 more hour left on the live stream. We have 1 more hour. Get your questions going. We have 1 more hour left. 1 more hour left. Get your questions answered now. Okay. 1 more hour left. 1 more hour left. Come on. Grammar. I'm a normal student who asks questions. Tell that to YouTube, Brian. Tell that to YouTube. Alright, get your answers question now. Alright. Put your questions. If you have any other questions, please ask your questions now. The 31, the chat is bullying me again. Okay, 31. Okay. I think 31. Whoop. Okay, let's see. I think 31 asks us to do this, correct? Boom. And I think here are the instructions. Alright, so again, we are going to ask chat for the first step. What should I do first, chat? Distribute. Alright, so do some distribute. Okay. Should look like that. Can someone type in chat? What does it look like after I simplify? I don't need the answer. What happens after I simplify? Hey, what should it look like? Come on, come on. Someone, anyone? What's on the left hand side and what is on the right hand side after I simplify? After I distribute, what's my next line? 8x plus. Ryan, look. Ryan, look. Alright, class, we're gonna ask this. What does that equal to? What does 4 times 4x equal to? Come on, Ryan, come on. You put 8x here. Come on, Ryan. Right. Does that become 8x? Does this become 8x? Come on. It's a multiplication here, Ryan. Thank you. Okay, this becomes 16x. Good. This becomes 12. That remains the same. That does become 624x. That's correct. This becomes 16, and that is a 4. Good. What do I do next? Good. What do I do next, chat? Question mark. What do I do next, chat? Very important. What do I do next? Come on, chat. But what is that called? I have to what? What am I doing next? I have to combine like terms. Very important to combine like terms, okay? Good. So let's combine like terms. So let's see how it looks like. 8x plus 16x is our 24x. Good. And the right hand side, 16 minus 4 becomes 12. So is it? Let's see. Let's grab the 2. Alright. Okay, whoop, let me see. Let me screenshot that. Give me a second here. Whoop. Hold on. Give me a second, chat. Whoop. Alright. So, after I combine like terms, boom. Is that infinite solution or no solution? Yeah, I mean, this is combined like terms right here, okay? This is the combined like term step, okay? Right here, we already combined like terms, okay? So, is it infinite solution or no solution? Which one is it, class? Infinite or no solution? Okay? Is it infinite solution or no solution? Which one is it, class? Is it infinite or no solutions? Is it infinite or no solutions? Come on. Infinite! Thank you! It is infinite solutions, okay? It is infinite solutions because it matches up identically. Alright. There you go. There you go, chat. There you go. Infinite solutions. Alright. That's after we combine like terms. Okay. What are we doing next? Someone else asked a question. We'll go over it. So 23 and 24. Did I do 24 already though? Hold on, did I do 24? 24, 23, 20. Did I do 24? I don't think I did 24. And what, 23? Okay, 24 and 23 are the same thing. Which one do you want me to do? Chat, let's take a vote. Okay. Chat. Let's take a vote. Vote time. Or you want me to do number 23 or 24? Pick one. They're the same style problem. Right, you pick one. Pick. We have one vote in. We have one vote in for 24. We have one vote for 24. Okay, we are going to do 24. Okay. Come. There you go. So, what should be my first step? We are going to ask chat for the next step. Alright, chat, what do we do? What do we do next? Distribute. Okay, I distribute. So, what happens next? After I distribute, what happens next, chat? What do I get? Good. Alright, good. Then Ryan says what? Whoa, what happened? What happened? Yep. There you go. Add 21 to both sides. You should have gotten 9x. Oh. Uh-oh, error, okay. Good, 9x, then divide 9 to both sides. Then x equals to 9. Ryan, don't ask a question you already know the answer. Come on. You're wasting our time here, okay? You should ask a more specific question. You already knew the answer, Ryan. You already knew the answer, Ryan. Okay? Ask a question that you don't understand. Is there a step that you're not getting? Is there a concept that you want me to talk about? Okay. Is there like, so dude, I'm just making sure. Well, like, okay, you can make sure. That's okay. Right? And it's not dude, it's Mr. S. Okay. It is not dude. It is Mr. S. Okay. Okay. We are going to wait for another question to come around. Do you have another question? Do you have another question? Boom, boom, boom. Ooh. Can I make that smaller? Yep. Keep calm and ask me anything. The review sheet is a perfect indication for the test. I mean, do review sheet. I mean, that's it. I mean, there's not a lot I can say. No, like any tips for how to get a good score will be like the less. Okay, look. Honestly, look at how. Okay, look at the first. Okay, here. Let me write this. Right. Okay. Here's tip. Right. Okay. Did you notice the questions on the first test? How they are based on the review sheet, right? Same thing, right? Same thing, okay? Did you notice? No, the first test. The first test. Right? The first test. The chapter 1 test. Right? How they are based on the review sheet. Okay? So, what do you think the next chapter test is going to be like? Based on the review sheet. So, if you do the review sheet, you know, that's the best way to prepare. Okay. How many questions are on the test? That's a good question. No, enough. Enough. There are enough questions on the test. From 1 to infinity. Infinity. Yeah. Do 30 more minutes. 30 more minutes. Any other questions? Any other questions? All right, we have. Dun, 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 dun. Any other questions? Any other questions? Okay. Any other questions? Bum 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 bum. I could talk about the negative. I could talk about the absolute value a little bit if you would like. No? Huh. You know what? I have some questions here. Here, let me just ask some questions here. What is it? Big ideas. Algebra 1 PDF. Let me see. $30, please. Okay, let me do 30. I thought I already did 30. Didn't I do 30? I think I did 30. Hold on, let me see. Did I do 30? Huh, I did not do 30. Okay, I can do 30 if you would like. Right. Number 30. There you go. And I think it asks us to solve each equation. There you go. So what is my first step here, chat? Let's ask chat for the next step. Good. Alright, Ryan says to distribute. Alright. Melissa, did you get the distributing step here? We're gonna ask Melissa, are you good here? Melissa, do you get the distributing step? We're gonna ask, we are going to ask Ryan why he distributed for the first step. Alright, Ryan, give us a explanation on. Okay, explain to us, Ryan. We are going to ask Ryan why he distributed for the first step. Alright, come on, Ryan. Explain to Melissa why you distribute. Explain why. Why do you distribute? But why is it the first step? It's not be like, so basically you distribute is usually the first step. Well, that's not a mathematical reason. What is the mathematical reason on why you distribute for the first step? Here, I think I could make the chat bigger too. No, there's no such thing as common sense. What is the justification for it, Ryan? What is the justification for it, Ryan? What is the justification for the distributive property class? Why do we distribute? Why do we distribute? Okay. The main reason is, okay, because we need to get rid of the parentheses. I think that's how you spell parentheses. Alright, whatever. Okay, you gotta get rid of these things first, okay? That's what you need to do. Gotta get rid of those bad boys right here. Woo. Okay. Let me drop down the chat a little bit. Okay. Right, so we have to get rid of that first. That's the reason why you distribute, okay, Melissa? Okay. Right, it's the PEMDAS. Okay. Right. So that's why we distribute. Then you should have gotten. What should it look like after you distribute, class? Okay, let's do that together. Okay. 3 times negative 2 is negative 6. 3 times negative 3x is negative 9x. Whoa. Negative 9x, right? Ah. Okay. Negative 9x. Okay. Then what do I do next? What do I do next? What do I do next? Right? Get the variable on one side. Get the variable on one side. So what do I do to get the variable on one side? To get the variable on one side, what do I do? What do I have to do, chat? Question mark. No. What do you have to do? Don't just say cancel out. What do you have to do? What do you have to do? Numerically, what do you have to do? Oh my gosh. Explain what numerically do you have to do? How do you get the... What do you do? The inverse. What is the inverse? What is the inverse of subtract 9x? What is the inverse of subtract 9x? What is the inverse? What is the inverse of subtract 9x, class? Come on. Wait, what do you mean? What? What do you mean? No, 36. It's 26. What? What? That's 9. What? What? No, I'm asking you, what is the inverse of negative 9x? Like, come on. What is it? What is it? What do I do? No, not 36. It's 26. What do you mean negative? What? What? Okay, add 9x. Good. Add 9x. Okay. Then what happens? We should see that it is... Boom! No solution! Boom! No solution! Say no solution. No solution now. Okay? Because the variable disappear and the negative 6 does not equal to negative 4. Right? Negative 6 does not equal to negative 4. That is why it's no solution. No solution because the left hand side does not equal, right? Because negative 6 does not equal to negative 4, right? There's no world that negative 6 equals to negative 4. That's why it's no solution. Okay? Alright. Alright. So we got 30 more minutes left on the live stream. Let's get some more questions going. Do you guys want to give this one a try? I can... Hold on. Let's see if I could get it. Here, you know, here, let me just. So the question is to describe the value of C for which the equation has no solution, and explain your reasoning. Okay, good. Here's the question. Let me insert it. That one can be 5x minus 1 equal to 2x plus c. There you go. That is what I'm gonna ask to chat. Let's see if chat can come up with something. Oh, I spelled explain wrong. Come on. Come on, Mr. S. Explain your reasoning. Alright, go. Go, 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 go. What is that value of C so that you can, right? So you could make the equation to have no solution. Alright, that's your goal. Okay. Try it, chat. Try this problem, chat. Just practice the problem. Alright, so, alright class, ready? For it to be what? No solution, what needs to happen? What needs to happen for it to be a no solution? Okay? We have to have what? We need to get a 5x on the right, okay? Because, so, what about if we made this 3x? Okay? Now, after we made that 3x, shouldn't this become, what does this become now? If we made this 3x, what does this become now? It becomes 5x, correct? Okay. Good. After that, we subtract. Do you see how we would subtract 5x to both sides? Okay. Subtract 5x to both sides. Then what happens? I think you are left with a -1 equal to 0. Is that ever true, class? Is that ever true? Is that ever true? No, that is never true. Okay? So that is how we make the no solution here, right? That is how we make the no solution here. Okay? So C, I can make that bolted red. I can make the C 3x. Okay? That is how I get the 5x on the left hand side to match the 5x on the left hand side. On the right hand side, as well as the left hand side matches the right hand side, so I could get the not equal to. Okay, so for it has to, you know, so you need to variables cancel out. Yes, the variables cancel each other out, and you know, right here these things don't match. Okay. What about this one? Give this a try. Give this a try. Let me make this another one. Give this one a try. Go. Try this one, chat. Correct, Ryan. That is correct. For it to have infinite solutions, you have to have the same stuff on both sides. Yes, correct. Okay. So answer this one. Good. Wait, what? Negative 10x? Okay, Ryan, does that even make sense? Ryan, does this even make sense, Ryan? Ryan, really? Really? Look, Ryan, look. Does that even make sense? Ryan, honestly, really? Are you really going to tell me 2x minus 10x equals to negative 12x? Really, Ryan? Really? Really, Ryan? Really? Ryan, really? This becomes negative 8x. Ryan, really? Really, Ryan? Are you joking with me right now? Are you joking with me right now, Ryan? Okay, I assume you know how to add. Come on, Ryan. Come on, Ryan. Come on, Ryan. What is it? What is it? What do I put in here for C? What do I put here in here for C? What should it be in here for C? It should be what? It should be negative 14x. No, what do you mean? It's 14x. Okay. It's negative 14x. Because what is 2x minus 14x? Oh my gosh, Ryan, are you joking with me? You don't know how to do negatives? Come on, come on, come on. Yes, you do. How do you make negative 12x? How do you make negative 12x? Right? 2x minus 14x becomes... Okay. This becomes negative 12x. You see? Do you see? Do you see that? Okay. What about try this one? For it to have infinite solution. Let's see, I make this a 5x and this is a 2. This is a 3x plus, let's make this C. Okay, there you go. Try this one. Try this one. What do you mean, how do I get rid of the C? It's just, it's not how you get rid of the C, it's just, it's asking you what substitution do you have to make for C so that it becomes no solution. So try this one. It has to have infinite solution. What should C be? What is the value of C so you have infinite solution? Right? Alright, Ryan says 2x. Let's see, does that make sense? We put 2x here. Okay, so Ryan says 4c to be 2x. Alright, so let's do that. 2x. Okay, does that work out? Does that work out? 3x plus 2x becomes 5x. Right? Is it identical? Does the left hand side equal the right hand side? Okay. Does the right hand side matches the left? Yes, it does. Right? So it's infinite solutions. Woo! Alright, good job, Ryan. Good job, Ryan. Alright, there you go. Okay. Alright, that's just, another way of thinking about it. Right, No, this type of this type of problem might appear, right? It might appear. It might appear. Okay. 15 more minutes. 15 more minutes. 15 more minutes. Okay. Get your questions answered. What is your question? What is your question? Is your question? So the test would be one-step equation. Oh my gosh. Again, I don't understand why you keep asking me that. Do you notice the questions on the first test and how they're based on the review sheet? Okay? Same thing. Same thing. Alright? The test, the review sheet is a reflection of what possibly can be on the test. Okay? Alright? There is going to be a giveaway at the end. Okay? There is going to be a giveaway at the end. We will have to wait. We will have to wait. We will have to wait. Ryan, you get extra credit in my heart. Okay? You can get extra credit in my heart. Okay. There will be a giveaway at the end of the live stream. Come on, ask any questions. So let's say you have wait, hold on. We have a good question. So that's a very interesting question. Let's say you have 2x. Would that be infinite? Alright, class. Is this infinite? Let's take a vote. Let's take a vote. Let's take a vote. Let's take a vote. Is this infinite? Is this infinite, class? Is this infinite? Or is this infinite? Or is this no solution? Ready? Ready? Here, I'm gonna make your life easy. Ready? After this, let's subtract 24x to both sides. Right? Good? Thus, is negative 12 equal to 12? Is this true? Is this ever true? Is this true, class? Is this ever true? No, right? It is not equal to, so this becomes no solutions. Okay? Right? No solutions. Because I do not live in a world where negative 12 equals to 12, okay? Good question, though. Very good question. Right? Very good question. Right? Good question, though. Very good question, though. Very good question, though. Any other questions? Any other questions? What do you mean constants? Oh my god. Okay, Danielle. Right. You're making this too hard for yourself. Ask yourself, you're making it way harder than it is for yourself. Ready? Ask yourself this question. Does the left hand side equal the right? Okay. Do you understand there's a difference between a negative and a positive number? They're two different things. Right? This is negative. This is a negative 12. Okay, this is a negative 12 here. Alright, do you understand that's a negative 12? And this is a positive 12? Okay, here, okay. Ryan's gonna make it complicated. Okay, ready? Ready? Okay, ready? Okay, ready? Okay. Plus 12. Plus 12, okay? Right? Okay. Alright, now what are you gonna left with? 24, right? Is this correct, Ryan? Right? Okay, now subtract 24x, subtract 24x. What happens? You are left with 0 equals to 24. Please tell me a world that 0 equals to 24, Ryan. Does that ever happen? Okay. Okay, 0 does not equal to 24, so this is still no solution. Okay, that is still no solution. Okay, that's what Ryan wanted us to do. Alright, it's still no solution. No solution just refers to that's it's impossible. You doesn't work. Okay? Any other questions? Uh-oh, hurry up. We have 10 more minutes. We have 10 more minutes. 10 more minutes. Make sure you get your questions answered. Okay? Okay, how about this one? Okay. Solve the equation. Okay. How about we all try this one? Where can I check? Alright, try this one. Class, try this one. What should I do? What should I do? Alright, I should distribute. So, looks like this. Let me show all the work. Okay? 3x right there plus 3 comma 4. Alright, minus 1 equals to negative 7. Okay? I made that red. Boom. 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 Okay. Good. What do you mean? Now this becomes, let's see. Oops. Alright. Boom. This becomes 3x, right? This becomes 3x. 3x. This becomes 12. Good. And you said combine like terms. Alright. You said combine like terms. So I think this becomes an 11. Then I'm going to subtract 11. X equals to, what is that, class? Negative what? Wait, what's on the right hand side? What's on my right hand side? What's on the right hand side? Come on, chat, let's go. Stop playing around. What's on my right hand side? What's left? What's on the right hand side now? Come on. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh, my brain hurts. Are you joking with me? Negative 7 subtract 11. Come on. Come on. How did you say negative 11? Come on. Thank you. Negative 18. Come on. Do I really have to give you a worksheet on negatives? Come on. Thank you. Now, what do I do to get that alone? Stop making mistakes. Divide 3 to both sides. Divide 3 to both sides. So what should be my final answer? What should be my final answer? What is my final answer? You better check your answer before I start flipping out on you guys. Let's go. What does x equal to? What does x equal to? Thank you. Thank you for getting the negative right. Thank you. There you go. What about this? What about this one? What about this one? Try this one. Try this one on for size. Solve the equation. Insert 2y minus 4. Close that. Equals to negative 4. Do not make me start yelling because you do not have the... You're not being very careful about that negative. Alright, go. Try this one. Wow. Wow. How can -4 be an answer? There has to be a variable. You can't lose the variable, dude. What are you doing? How can it be -4? You can't lose a variable. Alright, let's see what happens after we distribute. Okay, this is what I have so far. That's after I distribute. So I got 2y minus 8. Right hand side got me minus 4y minus 32. Okay. Then, right, I add the 4. So I add the 4y. Add the 4y. Boom. Okay, after I add the 4y, what happens here? This becomes 6y. Then I'm going to add my 8. Boom. Okay, 6y. What is that? What is that? Plus 8, plus 8. Let me see. I got a -24. Okay. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Divide that 6. Divide this by 6 as well. Oh, sorry, I put 5. There you go. And y should be equal to what? I think that is, what is 24 divided by 6 is 4, -4. Good, good, good. There you go. Y equals to -4, and that's all the solutions right there. I think I can make it. Trying to fit it all on one screen. I don't think I can. I don't think I can get it all on one screen. All right, there you go. Okay. All right, that's 8 o'clock. So Ryan, you want to see an absolute value, right? That's right. Like which one do you want? It's like here, look. This is what you should do. Here, watch this. Watch how I did this one. Right? I was asking, Johnny asked this at the start. 34. And you should just rewatch it because, or watch watch the video on the absolute value. Okay? Alright, so that's it. And the last thing that we go to is now we are going to do the giveaway. Okay. Okay. To win the prize. Okay. Right. It is going to be, the prize is going to be a, what is it? What is it? It's a, what is it? One of this pop head thing. Hold on. Do you guys know what these things are? It's gonna be it's gonna be one of these. To win the prize, right? It's like one of these, right? You could get one of these, or right. this. Okay. Something like this, probably. Okay. Or I don't know. Alright, so the giveaway. Okay. Right. So to win the prize, okay? Let's see. To win the prize, what do you have to do? 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 Alright. Okay. So to win the prize, let's see. Should I give a really hard math problem? Should I give a really hard math problem for the prize, or do you think it should be something fun? How should I make the prize? Should it be a very hard math problem, or... See, think about a hard math problem. Let's see. Oh, okay. Here's the question. Okay. You must put this question and answer on your chapter 2 test to be to qualify. Misspelled. To qualify, okay? Okay, so the question is, let's see what the question is. What should the question be? Hold on. Let me see. Let me see. I'm thinking of a hard math question. I'm not sure yet. Well, then don't tell people. Don't tell people of the question. Oh! You know what we're going to do? Okay, this is... Alright, the question is... what is Mr. S's favorite place to eat at? Okay, here's the question. Okay. And the answer for that is... Okay, are you ready for it? Okay. Alright, it is Mr. BBQ. Okay, that is a Korean all-you-can-eat Korean barbecue. Okay, so that's the answer. Alright, so if you put that question and answer at the end of your chapter test, okay, you'll be, so let me write here. If you put the question and answer on your chapter 2 test, you will be qualified for the drawing to win the giveaway prize. Okay. Alright, so remember that if you tell anybody else, right, if you tell anybody else that is not watching the live stream, you just hurt yourself because there's gonna be more people that enter the drawing. Okay? So keep it to yourself, right? Keep it to yourself. Put it on. Don't say it to anybody. And there's gonna be less people in the drawing, and then we'll pick a winner. Okay? There you go. So thank you for coming to the live stream. Study hard. Make sure you have all your central questions done, as well as your notebook completed. Make sure you have your review sheet completed. And there you go. Thank you for showing up. All right. Good luck tomorrow.